Describe an RL series circuit. Consider a circuit. When switch S is at position K, we see that the current in the circuit increases continuously with time. And after some time, the current reaches its maximum value and remains constant for indefinite time until the circuit is switched off. Now, when the switch S is positioned at K dash, we see that the current in the circuit does not decay to zero immediately, but it flows out from the inductor, which then gradually decays to zero, and it remains zero for indefinite time until the circuit is switched on again. Thus, we see that the current in the circuit neither increases to the maximum value abruptly, nor decreases abruptly to zero. On analyzing, we find that this behavior of the circuit is due to the presence of inductor coil in it, which has the characteristic of not allowing sudden changes in the current flowing through it. Thus, we can say that RL series circuit is a circuit which does not allow sudden change in the current flowing through it due to the presence of inductor in it. Mathematically, rise of current in the circuit when switch is at position K is given by, graphically, this equation can be represented as, note that the maximum current for the circuit will be V by R, and at time t equal to L by R, the current in the circuit is found to be 0.632 times the maximum current. Mathematically, decay of current in the circuit when switch is at position K dash is given by, graphically, this equation can be represented as, note that the minimum current for the circuit will be 0, and at time t equal to L by R, current in the circuit is found to be 0.368 times the current at time t equal to 0. In a circuit, if current remains constant for indefinite time, then the current is said to have a steady state value. The value of current before reaching the steady state is known as transient value, and the time required by the current to reach the steady state is known as transient time. Related term is